Hi, so I opened the link that was already there for our work, and this was the link that had already the tables and the forms. Then I opened I opened the new database, and I saved it as instructed, as you can see, 04B1 split my last name and my first name. After I did that, I then went to external data, which I then went to import and link group, went to new data source, from database, click access. Okay. From access, I just typed in where I could browse. That's why I had to save the last one, where I can browse it, and I imported the books table and the books form. Okay, then it was suggested to look online, which definitely was a big help, to convert form to split form. So to do so, I had to click on books, go to create, go to forms group, more forms, and click split form. And split form then became this. Okay, became became this exactly. So there's a top pane and lower pane. So the lower pane, that's where the data sheet remains. So they instructed to delete the author color text and the label, which I deleted both author and the text and label. And then did the title, and I did it as ascending. As you can see, it's already clicked, so it's from A to Z. I went to change the font, which for some reason I can't do now, but let me just make this up because it's not accurate now. Right, so from here, I changed the font. I don't know why it's not letting me do it now, but I already did it. So I did Black Hills Farm, I highlighted that, and I made it to font 14. And then I used the colors, and I went to medium gray. I then went to theme and moved it into both theme, which is why it looks like this color. I then saved this as split. I clicked save, and it instructed me to make a title. I saved it as split form books. I then went to view and form view, which is already on there because I clicked form view earlier. I went to form view. And then looked at it. Okay, so again, I did the split form books. I saved it. I went to home view and did the form view. I I learned a lot. I learned how to import and link books to that group, and how to get the data, get another table and form from another access. That was something that I did not know before. That was something that I'm very glad and appreciate that I learned. In addition, I did not know how to split form. I didn't even know what that meant. And so I definitely learned that today also. Okay. And I learned how to see use something in form view.